Hi guys, Shavonte here and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I say this every single time I start the video, but I hope you are here to watch me do some graphic eyeliner inspired by Ariana and Lady Gaga's video, Rain on Me. It was highly requested on my TikTok videos. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, please follow me. I'll leave it on the screen below. But yeah, if you want to see how I did a recreation video, then please keep on watching. So to start off with, I'm going in with this Milk Hydro Grip primer. This primer is the bomb. I've wanted to get this primer for a very long time and I'm so happy that I finally have got it. But yeah, I'm just going to apply that on my skin. And please guys, don't mind my skin, it's breaking out so much because my Ole Henriksen has run out, so I've had to use another product and it's not working well for my skin because yeah, my skin's sensitive, so don't mind that. Next, I'm just gonna let that sit for like a minute. Next product I'm gonna go in with is the MORPHE Translucent Bacon Set Setting Powder. I just put this on to set my primer basically, and also to make my base a little bit more flawless, especially if you have textured skin or any unwanted marks like me. It helps minimize shine. Also, thank you guys for, I guess, following me because yeah, I've been growing so much lately on all platforms, so I'm just very grateful is the word I'm looking for, I guess. So yeah, thank you guys for following me. Subscribing also if you're on here, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because I'm interesting and you like me, and yeah, I will try to be more active on here. It's just hard because I'm doing it all on my phone and there's no space most of the time. I had to like delete all my apps and then re-download them just to edit this video. I don't think I meant to put that many pumps, but there you go. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Wear 24 Fresh Wear Foundation. That was a lot of words. This is in the shade 365 Deep Golden. This is what it looks like. This foundation is really good for a drugstore foundation, by the way. So if you're looking for one, a lot of you guys ask me on my TikTok videos what foundation I'm using. It is that one. I was using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. Can't really see, but that's what it looks like. I was using that in the shade 8.5 Caramel Toffee. Just gonna blend that out using my beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. It's in the shade Deep Olive. That's what it looks like. I've heard really good things about the concealer and I've only just bought it recently. And so far, so good. I'm really impressed with it and I love the massive doe foot. I feel like it just gets where you need to get and you don't have to use so much product in order to spread it. So, loving it. I'm basically just using this new technique that I found on this TikTok video. It just makes your face look more lifted. So you just basically cut where the eyes are and then you lift this bit as well where you're under your lips, and then you just do your forehead highlight how you would. I mean, I think I'm doing it right because I couldn't find the video after, so this is just my perception of it from what I remember, and it has come out very nice. And then you let it dry down, but this one dries down really fast, so I don't let it dry down too much. For a few seconds because I'm pretty sure it's already dry. And I get my setting spray and just kind of set it into my face. That was the Ofra Makeup Mix Fixer, by the way. Fixer, not mixer. By the way, I know it's not children need right now. I'm just wearing these bunny ears because I have them to push back my hair. And then I'm going to start blending it out. And I'm keeping it to the area in which I put it. See how it's already like lifting my face? Okay, so now that's all blended out, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier powder. I've took it off already, sorry. I'm sure you guys already know what it looks like anyway. And I'm gonna put it on the back, dab it off, also blow it, and put it straight under my eye. So I'm gonna do that again. Just so I can really push it in without creasing the under eye and get that flawless look under there. That way it's not dry as well. I hate having a dry under eye. It looks really dry, basically. And then what I do now is I get my makeup continuous setting mist and I just spritz it all over my face. Next I'm going to go in with my Morphe Bronzer in the shade Fantabulous. This is my bronzer. I'm not going to show what it looks like because it's literally finished pretty much. I'm using this brush from Yas Glitters Cosmetics. I really like the shape of it. I feel like it gets right in those curves of my cheekbones. I'm making sure I'm keeping the colour mostly up here because I want it to be a strong cheekbone. Just using this small brush just to get the bridge of my nose. I like to make this more prominent, especially if I'm doing like a strong type of look, which is the Ariana look. Basically, I feel like everything's more focused on this area. Let's go in some blush. Blush I'm going to be using today is the Morphe Blush Trio. This is in the shade Pop of Fusion. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go in with this shade, and again, I'm just pulling it upwards from the corner. So that's bringing the cheekbones upwards. That's what I want. I'm going to go in with the Ofra Pro palette. This is what it looks like. It is the Soul palette of the Pro series. I think it's a Pro series if I'm not mistaken. But I'm going to go in with this right here. This is the banana powder. It's basically for brightening. And I'm going to be using my Morphe E49. Have I used Morphe yet? No, I haven't. So use my code GLAMFAM240 if you want to get $5 off any purchase over 10. And yeah, please use it. I mean, it's up to you, of course. I'm so happy to be part of the Morphe fam, so I just thought I'd let you know it's there. I mean, you don't have to. But I'm just using this banana powder. It's a really good powder. I don't know if you guys have used any sort of powder like this. I really want to try the Dragon one. The Dragon Beauty one from Lakia Dragon. I forgot to go with my Sephora powder. Oh. Anyway, I'm gonna go with my Sephora powder just around boost on my face that I didn't use it on because I was meant to do that first, but I don't know what happened there. This basically smooths all areas of your face. It makes it look flawless, but I forgot to use it, so there we go. Okay guys, so I've done my brows off camera. This is what it looks like. I did use, let's get it, the Better Brows Bold Face Slim Gliding Eyebrow Pencil. It's the second time I've used it now. This is in the shade B11. I have a confession to make. This is the next day. I tried to do this look yesterday and it did not come out right. My eye was watering like crazy and I couldn't finish the look. So we're gonna try again today and hopefully it comes out okay. But I used the brow pencil, and this is what it looks like. It is really good. I quite like it. This is what my brows look like. So yeah, I also used the Morphe Java Brow Cream. I'm gonna go ahead and do this look now because I just wanna do it. But we're going in with the James Charles times Morphe palette, and we're gonna be using this shade right here. It's just a light brown, so if you have any transition shade really that will suit your skin tone, we're just gonna go in with that. And we're gonna basically put it in our outer crease. And just like bring it halfway into the crease, but mostly at the outer corner, just keeping it right there. And sorry, that was the Morphe E22, completely forgot to tell you. Just a fluffy brush we're using. And then we're gonna go in with the Morphe E36, a pointy brush. And we're gonna put that on the bottom lid. We're gonna go back in with that fluffy brush and basically blend it out and join it to the upper lid. Next, we're gonna go in with some glitter primer from NYX. This is what it looks like. It's just the base Perfection Brilliance, basically. I'm gonna put a pinch of that, literally the tiniest bit on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna go like this, dab it with my finger. And just dab it on my lid. Kind of blending it out with my index finger. I'm gonna go in with this pigment I have here. I've literally had this for years. I don't even know where it's from. Probably from one of those like kids kits you had as a child, but we moved. We're gonna use it anyway. And we're just gonna go in with like a little fluffy brush and just dab it on the eye. That's not the brush I used. I'm gonna go in with this brush instead because I don't know what I was trying to do with that. Okay guys, so I've done one eye off camera. This eye is still not liking me, it's still watering like crazy, but we did it. It worked. We're gonna carry on. The pigment that I used, I believe it is from Color Couture. You can use any other pigment, you don't have to use this one. It's just a light pigment. You can even use like a light eyeshadow, it doesn't really matter. But the products I'm using is this pigment, obviously the James Charles palette, which you've already seen. I talk really fast, by the way, so if you don't understand me, please just tell me to slow the fuck down. But yeah, the pigment, the James Charles palette, the Snazaroo white face paint, so I don't have any graphic liners in white. I'm also going to be using the Morphe Jet gel liner. And then, I almost forgot, we're going to be using the OFA Verified Black Liquid Liner. I've run out my favourite liner, but this one also is very good. So yeah, let's get started. The first product we're going to go in with is the gel liner, because obviously I've already used the pigment and the Morphe palette. So I'm just going to go in with this Morphe angled brush right here. It doesn't have a name, but any angled brush will do. And we're going to just put that in our waterline. And then next we're going to go in with the liquid liner. I'm just going to do a quick wing, just a short one, not too long. Don't get too excited. Ooh, it's tickling. Like, we need a moment of silence when we do our gel liner. We can't be, not gel liner, eyeliner, we can't be talking. Takes concentration. And then we're going to also do like a sharp cat eye, not too sharp and not too big either, just right in the corner. Next we're just going to go straight in with this, and I'm going to spritz that with some water. If I can find my spray bottle. Like that. And then I'm going to go in with a thin brush like this. I got this off Amazon. It comes in a pack. I think it's the nail brush kit. That's exactly what it is. And I'm going to go straight in and line my bottom lash line and just bring it up a little bit past this. Just bring it a little bit past the wing, and then I'm going to go straight in and do this inner part here. I feel like it helps me decide, not decide, but like map out where this part's gonna go. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I'm gonna do this bit first. So it's just like a straight line going in towards the brow. Or a more curved line really. As you can see, it's more curved towards, not curved, it's more pointy towards the end, and it gets thicker towards the top. And if you need to clean it up, just get like a thin brush like this. It's got a flat edge and it's just quite small. And I'm just gonna clean up the edges because it's a bit thicker and I don't want it that thick. From here, I'm just gonna basically move from the middle point of my brow and just join it to the end. And make sure I don't have too much on my brush. I'm just gonna spin the brush around on my hand, the back of my hand. Like that. Try to make it as even as possible. It's not always gonna be even. I don't think it is. Just that end bit. See how handy this brush is? Again, back of my hand. Just fixing that end bit. And then we're just gonna thicken the line a bit. Okay guys, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go in and do my lips while my lashes drying. I had to take my contacts out because my eyes are just not having it today. I think my hay fever is just acting up, so we're just gonna leave that there. But I'm gonna go in with this lip liner. This is in the shade Bar. It's just a brown lip liner. I've really been loving this lately with my Fenty gloss in the shade Fussy. That's what I use with this look, so I'm just gonna put that on. And then I'm gonna go with my Fenty gloss. The lashes I'm using is the Bold Face lashes. This is in the style Spice It Up. I've already taken out the packaging because obviously I put one on and one is drying. So I'm just gonna apply that real quick. When I say real quick, I mean literally real quick. I'm so fast putting on my lashes. I don't know how I managed to learn to do it this way, but that's how I do my lashes. So yeah, period. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. It was very stressful on my side, but you guys didn't see that bit, so you better like this video, please. But please subscribe to my channel if you want to see future videos from me. I am not going to say that I will try to upload more because it is hard to do everything on your phone, but I do a lot more on TikTok, so follow me over there if you want to see more makeup and hair tutorials, and then I will try to bring it all over here. Much love, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.